So here's opened image in my Photoshop. Now I will save this image as SVG, and here's how to do it. First of all, we have to click on edit, and here click on preferences and click on export, and here under options you have to enable use legacy export as option and click on OK. And now it's time to save the image or project as SVG. So go to file and here hover over on export and click on export save as, or you can press Alt Shift Ctrl W, and here click on the format drop down, and here you have to select SVG, and if you want you can change your image size, width, height, scale and resample, and you can also change your project canvas size. Then go ahead and click on export and select a folder where you want to export the SVG file and click on save, and that's it. Go to your file explorer and here you will find the SVG file.